Hey guys, Yevsikov here. What you have in front of you is a video, right? But what's in the video is me. And basically, I'm gonna talk about a brand new software, okay, that is released. Now, in this time, instead of doing a usual review or, I don't know, just creating a page around that, I decided to, provide way more value to you and basically help you decide, make a decision whether or not you want to purchase something. Okay? Now this is a a one-time thing. Okay? Maybe I'll repeat it depending on the feedback if you like it or not. Now this is a concept. What I mean is basically I'm going to walk you through a specific software that I found interesting, right? That was released, and maybe you have heard about it. I'm gonna walk you through what it is, but the catch is that I have never used it before. I have never created something using that software, and we're going to do this what we can call naked. Okay, a complete let's play walkthrough. We're gonna do this together. I'm gonna enter the software as if I am you, a complete stranger to the software, never used it, never tried it, and wants to know how fast and how it works. So what we have here is Vlydo. Okay, Vlydo Smart Video Marketing. And what it means, let's read a snippet of the sales page, understand a little bit of what it is. So attention, all website owners, video marketers, and bloggers, watch how this brand new video player can 10x your video views, which means get you 1000% more video views and get you 300% more traffic using the exact strategy YouTube uses. Okay, so at this point it becomes interesting, right? What do you mean YouTube uses? How? Please tell me how I can make more money and get more traffic to my videos and to the videos I use. Other people's videos, doesn't matter, as long as I can get more traffic, bottom line, to the affiliate links and my own offers, right? And build my list. Okay, that's very crucial for me to be able to build my list through videos.
That's going to help you to engage your audience like never before and increase your video views by over 300%. It's called Vlydo, and it's the next generation in video player technology. Let's get started.
We all know that YouTube right now is the biggest traffic hub on the web. In fact, YouTube serves over 4 billion video views every day. How crazy is that? Here's another fact. Each visitor that visits YouTube spends about 40 minutes per day watching videos. I don't know about you, but one of the reasons I constantly find myself getting caught up on YouTube is because every time I watch a video, I end up watching 3 or 4 because of all of the interesting videos YouTube presents to me on their website. I would even go as far to say that it's one of the reasons YouTube has become so successful. It's their ability to show multiple videos on a single page. It increases views, increases engagement, keeps visitors coming back, and gives YouTube an opportunity to make more ad revenue. Around the web, many sites have tried to duplicate a similar model, but as you'll probably already know, it's not that easy to feature a number of videos on a single page that looks attractive and nice. There isn't really an easy solution out there that takes just minutes to set up unless you're a developer. That is, until now. The Vlydo team and I have been working over the past few months to solve this problem and create a video player that not only looks great, but allows marketers like you and I to create YouTube-like playlist pages that are quick to load and make money. And if that wasn't enough, we took things one step further and we even built a call to action and lead generation technology into the player, so every video a visitor watches of yours, it's a new opportunity to capture them as a lead or even make a sale. We also integrated the system with Facebook, giving you a new opportunity to generate traffic and more sales through the biggest social network on the web today. Sound good? Well, it's just the start. Vlydo is an all-in-one flexible video system that is packed with even more opportunity.
Okay guys, so watching some of this video, at this point I'm more confused than I was in the beginning. But maybe I'm just that kind of person, right? I want to make sure you get to a smart decision, that you know what you're going to purchase when you're going to purchase this. And I want you to know exactly what to expect. So this is, when I came here, I understood that it's a video player that can 10x your video views and get you 300% more traffic using what YouTube does, which means from this video, which I do understand, is that playlists, basically playlists on beautiful single pages, and basically get you more and more traffic to any video, especially if it's related. So you got to create playlists, and these are created on beautiful pages. Cool. Okay, now he talks all about flexibility and stuff like that. I have no idea what he's talking about. No idea at all. I'm just gonna go scroll a little bit and then jump into the software, because I want to see how it potentially can increase all my traffic and get more clicks to my pages. So what it can do: create unlimited playlists and unlimited videos, pre and post video ads, built-in video advertising inside the video and before. Very nice. Works with YouTube, Vimeo, Amazon, Wistia, etc. Okay, coolio. Fully hosted app, nothing to install on your site. The best, this is what I love the most about these softwares. Integrate, just 3 years ago, when all the software industry started to grow, it was all WordPress plugins. I mean, web app, it was like super technology back then. Now you can find these web apps at what's the price? It doesn't have a price here, but something like 30, 40, 50, something like that would cost $1,000 back then. So it also, all these software is getting more and more affordable. Integrates with all popular autoresponders. Great. Which autoresponders? We shall see. Newbie friendly, no tech skills needed. Thank you very much. I am a very huge newbie. If you want more traffic and views, you need this. Well, my current player cannot do that, but I'm sure I don't know what to say. Anyway, 20 plus features that you have never seen before. Well, let's see them. That special total value package, $13,000. That is insane. Okay, let's see if it's the truth. So if your videos are not bringing 300% more traffic and views to your site, you need to read this. Yes, they are not. I want more traffic, and I want your software to help me achieve that. And I want your software to also be pretty cool and slick in the process. So do you want to stop losing money, grow your income, never be limited? Okay, let's get into the software. Can it help us? What can it do? Okay, so we're here in the dashboard. I did not purchase it. I got access from Sam Becker, who is one of the creators, and I'm on his account right now. So if you'll see some videos or something like that created, it's not me. Okay, I'm a complete newbie, I promise you. So this is the dashboard. What's cool in here, what I noticed, is visitors by country. Actually, I noticed it the moment I logged in a few, 20 minutes ago or so. So visitors by country, Russia, Canada, and it's gonna make those countries that people visited from will be red. Okay, so you'll see also demographics, which is very cool, very important. In my opinion, it's one of the most powerful ways you can approach this, approach tracking and scaling, right? If you're using paid traffic, we'll know that you gotta know who's your target market, or else you are just spending money on traffic. And here you can know, so you can optimize your videos, optimize your languages, whatever you want. This is very good information that they show you. Where most of the visitors, etc. Page views on the 3rd of October, 3 on the 5th, 0, 3 plays, views, no plays, 1 play here. Okay, whatever. So this is kind of confusing, but what I can understand is just the usual plays and views. Okay, menu that you will have on your YouTube account or Vimeo account or wherever. So unique viewers, plays, opt-in forms. The dashboard basically showing you all the stats. I like how it's laid out. It reminds me of the layout of Video by Pro and Fun Video Ranker. Very similar. I like how it's laid out. I certainly hope that it's not just beauty that's covering for some crap, right? what is playlists? List. While it's waiting, we shall get pissed off and okay, let's get to the video part. Something is very slow here. Let me just stop it. What? Let me just stop this. Okay guys, I'm back. So basically something was wrong with my internet. It took about 5 seconds until it came back. I really wanted to make this an unedited video, but I had to pause, so you know the cool stuff is kind of gone. But still, it's a very you need to know that it's a very real video, honest video. This is a true walkthrough. I'm just like you, know nothing, and you'll even have an advantage because you will be watching a demo on the sales page, right? If you want to. So add new video. We're in the process of adding a new video to our video playlist that doesn't exist using Vlydo. So we can go on a playlist, add a playlist. I hope it's going to load. Playlist name, let's call it test playlist, right? Makes sense that I will playlist. No, test payback list. Okay, channels, no idea what it is. I'm gonna put it on search input on all the features I want to have. Default list type, title or thumber title, autoplay button on, save. So we've got a new playlist. We have just added. We have no page. We got nothing. Channel management, channel name, CCTV, right? It's a channel. It's a channel CCTV. Come on. Error connection timedown. Now this happens to me a lot with a lot of websites, but what I on Chrome only, okay? And what I notice is that it happens when I do not look at the when I try to change a page. This in here it happens while I am testing. So here you have video list, Sam Becker video, Sam Becker test. These are the stuff that he did. Okay, let's add a new video. Let's get through this. Let's have some fun. Information about the video. Okay, so our video, allow normal ad. Yes, no. Oh, I love the word where you have this question mark here. It's amazing and helps so much. Force campaign description. Oh, come on. Come on. It seems that like they haven't added a campaign description, you know. Sucks. Whatever. Okay. Or not force. What the hell does it mean? Never mind. This question mark does not help me at all. But I want to get traffic, okay? So title of the video will be The Amazing Sam Becker Man, right? Description. Video reveals how Spider-Man became an internet marketer, drinking syrup on Tuesday evenings, right? Makes sense, right? And author Yevsikov. Tags, these tags are just for me, so to remember that. So like The Amazing Sam Becker Man, right? Link to what channels not published. Let's choose just a channel that someone already has, right? Video drill, audience drill, review trust, my channel not published, video trailer, movie trailer. Let's put this on movie trailers, right? Makes sense. Minimum age, you can restrict the age of people watching. So this is pretty cool. This means that like I want someone to watch my video who is under 18 and it's gonna restrict them somehow. 18 years. Let's make it 40, 474. Will it let me? That's not good. Can people approve it of 474? Okay, let's make it normal. Let's make it 1. Okay, 1 years old minimum to watch my video. External domains access. Access to this video may be limited to the internal domains only. This parameter will override global settings of the player. Okay, so this is obviously pretty advanced. Most people do not need this, but while you probably, as you get deeper into this software and you learn to use it on a daily basis, you will, if you want it, you will use it. Okay, now you guys know that I'm a I'm very bad at technical stuff. Okay, my girlfriend, which is my fiance also, she is way better than me at everything that comes to phones and apps and all that stuff. I can do all the hardware stuff, I can fix a computer, nail everything, but when it comes to software, I am extremely bad. Okay, I am a nightmare. So I'm also a very slow learner, but even through that, there are many softwares that when I buy or start using, or even platforms such as hosting platforms, etc., and I have no idea how to use. With time, I become a pro at them because I use them on a daily basis. Now, obviously, I don't think you can outsource someone to do the software for you, but I don't think you'll need to. We're already at the second step. And as you get to learn this, I imagine that within 3 or 4 tries, you will already become a pro on launching these video campaigns, right? So it's not a problem at all. Publish, yes. Next, I love the next. It's very comfortable. Video file source. Okay, so add new source. We got Amazon S3, Gearbox, Google Drive. Okay, Google Drive and something about database. Okay, I'm not very familiar with those. SDHD and HTTP. Whew. They got YouTube, right? That's nice. So Amazon S3. We'll just keep it on the default with the HTTP, and choose Vlydo file folder on the S3 of Sam Becker, and choose Friends the movie trailer. Great. Now okay, we are completely good. Flash-based player will be used on some browsers. They also offer you compatibility, okay, which is a good thing, right? When they tell you what's gonna be shown and what's not gonna be shown and how it's gonna be shown, it's really professional. You can see that they thought really well about the software, at least so far. Next, static images, thumbnails and posters. Well, let me just what? Okay, let's see. Thumbnails 160 on 90, and it's basically going to be the thumbnail of the email on the of the video on the playlist on the side. Okay, makes sense. And the poster itself is probably the big image or something like that. Okay, once again, I'm not very good at technical stuff. I just want to create video playlists. Oh, let's go and make Google search about general thumbnails. Okay, what is the size that they want? They want 160 or 90, right? 160 or 90. Images, obviously, always remember to change your usage rights. General thumbnails. Let's see. Let's test this out. Let's find this one. Copy image URL. Put it in here, right? And if it will auto shrink. This is 160 on 90, and I want to see if this will auto shrink or auto increase. So let's take something like these shoes and put it here. Okay, this is awesome. This does this automatically. You don't need to mess with the resolution. Cool stuff. Really comfortable. Really comfortable software. No cross-domain files have been found for the following domain. Upload wikipedia.org. Please downloads. Typo. Cross-domain.xml.zip. Unpack and place cross-domain. Whoa. I don't know what this is. I'm just gonna ignore it. Captions. Okay, you can add your own captions. I don't have any captions, so I won't be adding captions. Opt-in form. Now this is one of the features that I saw on the sales pages that really, sorry for the chair, really got me excited. Let me explain. So, what is an opt-in form, right? So what is, we know what is an opt-in form. So we want to build a list. I always recommend that every software that you buy that has anything to do with traffic should have a feature that somehow helps you build your list. And that is very simple. The reason is very simple. You gotta build your list. If you don't build your list, you're losing on a lot of money. I mean, I can send an email and make a few $1,000s every day for the rest of my life. Why wouldn't you want to do that? In any niche that you're in, whatever, if you're doing e-commerce, whatever, you can, CPA, you gotta build your list all the time. You have to build your list. So yeah, so you can build your list here, but what was cool in the sales page, what it showed is that you can put there's a specific feature that you can basically put a opt-in form, a name and email on the video. This opt-in form, when it appears, it stops the video, okay, and then only if they submit their details, they can watch the rest of the video. Now think about this, how powerful it is, what kind of quality subscribers you can get from such a feature. So if a person, let's say you're in the dog training niche, and if a person is watching a very valuable video of yours about dog training, the video is 6 minutes, in about 2 minutes the video stops and it asks him to opt in to receive cool stuff about dog training. Now at this point, at a normal page or a normal video, this person will say, I will watch the video and buy. I don't want to subscribe. And some of them will subscribe because you'll give cool tips. But in this example, people are already in the middle of the video. They're getting value, they're getting information, they're enjoying the video, and then they have to submit their details to continue watching the video. This is a very, very cool feature because they will submit because they're interested, and you'll get a much higher opt-in rate. I'm talking about huge increases in the thousands of percents potentially. Okay, this is I heard about something like this. I know some softwares do this. They have full platforms dedicated to how to master this feature. But this is a very, very, very powerful feature, which is one of the reasons I got so excited about this software. So, opt-in form enabled, yes. Autoresponder mailer, custom, Aweber, get response, and mailer light. What is okay. No, this is his autoresponder, mailer light, and Aweber, digital flow, and digital follow and get response. So just 3 or 4 major autoresponders. I have no idea what digital follow is. I use Aweber. I have a get response account. And mailer light, I've heard about this. So 4 or 3 autoresponders, very, very limited support. And obviously I can add the list on the API integrations right here. Title, I imagine that was gonna be written on the opt-in form. So enter your details, Mr. Devil. I enjoy water. Right? Makes sense. Once again, makes a lot of sense. Submit button. Enter now. Quickly. I'm just the kind of funny guy, very random. My whole brain is very random, which allowed me to make money online, because online it's cool to be yourself versus offline and a job and with the society and stuff like that, and people that they force you to be someone you don't want to be, and it's all about status, blah blah blah. And the minute you get out of this cycle of the job and people and status and all etc., and you get more richer and richer, suddenly you get your status increased between among those puny people. They're not puny, you know, these are regular people, but they are just, they screw other people and the other people screw them, and everybody screws each other and jealous of each other and angry, and why isn't this making enough money, and why is that? It's just a rat race, right? Everybody says it's a rat race, and once you get out of it, you can finally have more time to become yourself. And I am just by chance, I am random. Redirect URL, this is where you can redirect them after they subscribe. So what this means that if they subscribe, this instantly redirects them to another page, which is great. But in our example, we want to keep it nothing. So hopefully it will work and we will be able to stop the video after subscribing. When to display begin end time. Let's say at 30 seconds. 00:30 00. I think it's gonna be 30 seconds, not 30 minutes. No, it's gonna be 30 00:30. Why is it so complicated? Traffic generation, share to, it shouldn't be complicated for me, but it's complicated for me. I don't know why. Man, it's probably me. Okay, it's usually me when it comes to technical stuff, to softwares and stuff like that. It's usually me whose fault it is when I cannot learn something. So share to watch, basically this means okay, traffic generation is basically viral traffic. Okay, so people to continue watching, they will need to share the video, which is pretty cool, but we're not gonna touch on this right now because we already have an opt-in form inside. Complete action, what does it mean? Okay, repeat a video, complete action, either opt-in form or for the sharing, and repeat a video or redirect to URL. Obviously repeat a video because we want to see if that feature works and how it works, and maybe I made a mistake because I haven't even watched any tutorials. I have no idea if there are tutorials. I will later on, after we finish this walkthrough, I will check if there are tutorials and where they are, and I'll give my feedback based on that. Obviously I will not watch them, but you know what I'm saying. So show ad on pause. When people pause and ad shows, this is a cool feature. And now you can put your own ad, a link and a banner. Okay, link, we're gonna put it on wikipedia.com, and the image is gonna be this. Okay, this is gonna be the ad image URL. Okay, start scrolling, smart scrolling, what does it mean? Smart scrolling, let's put it and see what it means. Autoplay on the first visit, no, I hate autoplay. Disable controls and pause, no, that's the usual. Okay, now we're going to add a new video and it's gonna be created. What is it doing? I have no idea. It's thinking. The computer is thinking. Let's click on next. Hopefully I haven't ruined anything, because I really have no energy to do that again, because it was funny and I want to come on. Once again it happens. The webpage is not available. Error connection timed out. Okay, new video have been added. Proper embed code can be found below. Error. Image file has not been found. Which image file of what? Of what? Something that I have added wrong. Image file. Okay, JSU. Oh, a JavaScript embed code. Facebook embeds link. Player width. Height. Player height. Okay, player usual. Just make it look. But I want to see what I have added wrong. Probably the thumbnail or the other thing, right? The shoes. I bet it's the shoes. What is wrong with the shoes? View image. Where are the shoes? Okay, copy image URL. This is frustrating. My computer is frustrating. My internet is frustrating, and I have no idea how to solve this. Let's see where we added this. Static images. The thumbnail actually was the issue. Okay, the thumbnail, what was the thumbnail? Thumbnail was the police car, right? That's a Jaguar or a Ford? Don't know. I think that's a Jaguar. Jaguar. You know how to say it here in Israel? Jaguar. Okay, it's added. Save changes. Okay. I hope it's gonna work right now. Okay, changes have been saved. Now let's look at the video. That video. I noticed when it's loading a lot of time, that's when it crashes. I think I got lots and lots of timeout problems with my internet. Timing out. Or, you know what it means? It launched yesterday. And this means it's totally new. And if it's totally new, this means that lots of people are accessing it and as we speak, and probably the servers are just overwhelmed. It makes sense. No, not edit. I don't want to edit. Back to the screen. I don't want to edit. And you know, timeout has happened again. What a pain with this internet. Okay, so we're back at the page that I wanted to see, and we got this loading cool thingy, colory thing, pretty cute. Okay, so we gotta embed this. I bet. We gotta embed this. Where can we embed it? Clear mode, HTML5 and Flash. Basic JavaScript, we can embed it anywhere we want, or we can embed it on Facebook. Let me just pause so okay, back on my Facebook. Okay, so let's see what it will create. The amazing Sam Becker, man. Sam Becker is on my friends list, so I don't wanna, I will delete this instantly, so we'll not embarrass. Okay, the amazing Sam Becker, man. No cross-domain file has been found for the following file. Uploads. Lady shoes. Oh, come on. Okay. Enter the age. We are at least 1 year old. You guys remember? At least 1 year old. Okay, I entered my age. No, okay, that image of the shoes is not working. It's once again my problem. Okay, what is it? At 30 seconds, it should pause.
This summer, the long-awaited epic adventure.
Are you out of your mind? I'm sorry, I didn't realize how attractive you are. Would you mind if I asked you that question without yelling?
Okay.
Are you out of your mind?
Yes.
Okay, that's cool. Tom, I have not integrated my autoresponder, but it's that's pretty cool feature, and I could add this sharing thing to this.
Oh, have you not?
Cool.
Oh, have you not
And
done?
with the ad, when you pause, the ad appears. I have no ad. I haven't added any ad because the images are not working. The images I brought, so it got replaced with.
You look amazing.
It's great. Okay, that's working. Let's delete this. Delete, because I don't want anyone to see that I posted the amazing Sam Becker man. It will make no sense to anyone. So this is it. Okay, this is the video you saw. It puts the code and adds it to a playlist. Now I want to see how a playlist looks like. Okay, so how it works, the playlist itself, right? That's what's important to me. I gotta understand how it will work. So we will like recommend them, or do I have to embed? Okay, so I can embed a playlist. Okay, so I basically take a playlist. I obviously cannot embed it on Facebook because it's a full playlist, but now I get it. I need to embed the playlist itself to with JavaScript to a page. Oh, just a second. So I am on my blog, okay, and just want to test if the JavaScript is working. Now, script type, once again, I'm not very good at technical stuff, so I hope this JavaScript stuff is gonna work. I don't know how to use the JavaScript stuff. Not working. Player. Not working. Once again, I don't know where I should be embedding this and what I should be embedding. Maybe I should have watched some tutorials, to be honest, because I have no idea what I'm doing. And one more thing, by the way, about the sales page itself, it's gonna piss you off a lot. It's that thing. Yeah, you see? I can this stupid pop-up that when you try to exit the page or do something outside of the main page, right? It happens every few seconds, this jumps in and it's annoying as hell. Styles, close. Okay, I have no idea how to embed a playlist. I am extremely confused on how to embed a playlist. Okay. Where can I embed JavaScript if not on WordPress? Right, this is what I'm not sure about. Settings, integration, style, cross-domain policy, user profile, bonus page, preview. Maybe preview can help me. Well. Oh, come on, it's gonna crash again. Timeout. Let's wait for the crash. Okay guys, so excuse me, I had to go and watch the demo for a minute and find in the demo where I go. So I went to, by the way, there are no tutorial videos on this software. I couldn't find any. That's why I went for the demo video. So basically we needed to go back to playlist and inside to go back to channels and just start selecting videos that will appear on your playlist. Okay, these are the videos. Pretty cool stuff. The amazing Sam Beckerman, Sam Becker test. Right, there's a lot of Sam Beckering going on today. And video order, search tag, channel, whatever. Just keep it that way, okay? Now we've got this on our channel. Now we gotta still embed the video list. So what I saw, I cannot embed this on my WordPress site. Either WordPress does not accept embedding, or I don't know how to do proper WordPress embedding. Okay, so there's nothing I can do. So I just went to the demo and wanted to see how it looks like when he's done with the adding videos.
Now what we've done is we've basically created
By the way, much better in this than me.
We've created
Here's how it
a
looks,
playlist with a button.
After you've embedded, you got the share, Facebook, Twitter, Google, StumbleUpon, LinkedIn, Pinterest. You got the playlist here. The game trailers, etc. channels will be here. Official E3 trailer, Need for Speed, playlist right side. This is, you can edit it, or it's either on the website itself, right? But this is how the player looks like. So this is Vlydo in a nutshell is a complete player that allows you to like create an effect of YouTube. Now what this means, they say it's about to increase traffic, and yes, with the opt-in and the share features, it can increase your traffic. But what it does more, what they don't talk about, what it does even more is that it basically brings more branding to the table, because when someone is watching your video and seeing this player, and he can watch the videos, yes, it does increase the traffic by him watching more and more videos, and maybe submitting to more videos and clicking other places. It makes sense, and it will increase, but it just makes more sense to increase more traffic with this player style software, okay, with this playlist style. But what I think it does more, or maybe not more, but at the same level at least, is that it gives you some kind of authority, okay? This kind of mimics YouTube on how it looks, and it looks professional, and it looks like it's an all-in-one place where you can watch some videos in silence and just relax. And it just looks like a great tool to brand yourself, to brand around your videos, and to generate more traffic. Okay, so you've seen me do this. We had a lot of struggles. I cannot say that I've seen I can say for sure that I've seen softwares that are much easier for me to learn, but to be honest, I've seen software that are also much harder for me to learn. But the bottom line is, once you do this 2-3 times, you can simply and easily go ahead and create these on the fly, endless lists, and just add your videos, add your opt-in forms, add share buttons, whatever you want, and just get more traffic and get more leads. Okay, this is how it works. I like it. I would give it, because of my experience, it took me about 45 minutes to learn how to use it, and I still don't know how to embed. I would give it a 7 out of 10. I would not give it a 10 out of 10. Obviously, why not? 9 out of 10, no, because I didn't have the experience I wanted. I could give it this 8 out of 10 because of how the end result is great, and I know that once I'll do this 2-3 times, it's gonna look really awesome, and it's gonna flow. But I gave it a 7 for the simple reason that it was pretty frustrating for me to learn it for the first time, and this thing that there are no tutorial videos, it really turns me off. So if you want to increase your traffic, if you want to look more professional, I have a custom player with a playlist. It's great. Go ahead, enjoy this. You should buy this anyway, definitely, for the price, like $30, $40, something like that, $20, I don't know, really affordable. Check it out. Yes, you should buy this, but be prepared for everything that I said. Be aware that all this is going to be, and you know what? That's it. Highly recommended in terms of traffic. It will generate more traffic. It will make you look more professional. But be aware that there will be no tutorial videos, and it can be a little pain in the ass for complete tech newbies and video newbies. So if you're like only interested in video players, only getting interested, you may have a learning curve like I just had. But if you're more advanced and you got a copy of Maxima Ad Player or players like that, it should be pretty simple for you to use. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this walkthrough with me, and that's it. You know what? Recommended 7 out of 10. That's all I can say anymore. Enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you for watching.